In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone contacts not syncing correctly. So let's just get straight into the video. To fix an iPhone contacts not syncing, all you need to do is simply go ahead and toggle your iCloud contacts off and on. So in order to do that, simply head into your settings, head into your name, and then click on iCloud and then click on show all. And this is where you can simply go ahead and look for the contacts application, turn that off and turn it back on. If that doesn't work, make sure that your account sync is turned on, and that is done by heading into settings and then heading into apps and then simply searching for contacts. Click on that and then make sure that your sync is turned on or enabled. And this is normally done by heading into contact accounts and then iCloud and then turning that on right over there. So it is as simple as that. If none of those work, try restarting and updating your phone and it should go ahead and fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.